everybody, welcome back to my channel. You already know I am your girl, unapologetically Avis, but you just know me as Avis. So today we are going to be doing this install of this quick weave unit that I made. You guys were saying, oh my god, we ready for part 2, the install, because you know I made the wig on camera so you guys can see what a quick weave wig look like. You know, just simply hair bonding glue, a stocking cap, and your hair basically, and blow dry, and maybe some spritz or something like that. But that is it. I will link that video below. Also, all the details on the hair, the discount codes, and all that good jazz like that. So if you want to see this install, I mean flawless install, you guys, because just look, because I have a frontal with, I had got 3 bundles, but I only used, no, I think I did use 3, if I'm not mistaken. If I'm not mistaken, I used 3. Okay? I used 3. So, yeah. And I got information to them in Instagram and their YouTube and their website and discount codes, you know, by using my name, but it's a certain name underneath the description where you can use to get discounts, you know, when you buy the hair. And check it out. And it's really cute. I have like 2 22s and a 24, I believe. I can't really remember. Just check the description box. All information will be below. And also the wig that I made, link will be below too. But as you can see, I didn't do nothing to the hair. I just basically made the wig and flat ironed it. And that is it. And honey, I didn't pluck. I didn't bleach. I didn't do none of that. It just came out. Yes, that's how it came out. So anyway, you guys, go ahead and check out the video, and I guess I will see you towards the end, because this is a beautiful. All right. Okay, you guys, thank you for watching. Be sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Go ahead and comment below what you think about the hair, what you think about the makeup. And one thing I want to say before I leave, this is my first time using this Supreme Ghost Bond. This is the new one. They always had Ghost Bond, but this is Supreme. This is a new one. I found it at my local beauty supply store. It was like $30. And I saw the old one, I saw the new one. I'm like, so what's the difference? And I can't remember what she said, but she said something. I said, okay, but let me just get that one. It came up to $30 and some change. But one thing I can say about it, it definitely dries super, super fast. And it dries clear fast, which is supposed to be clear. You do not apply your wig until it's clear, okay? And it's tacky. And what it says about it, it says is oily scalps, high humidity and heavy perspiration, like if you sweat, so you'll be good. So anyway, I like it. I really, really like it. I mean, like, and I will let you guys know how long the hold is before I, start. If it comes up, I just tack it. Because I'm going to wear this unit until it starts to come up on its own. And I will let you come back with an update, let you guys know about this glue. Because for $30, it better do something. But I can tell you right now, it's got a strong hold. It gave me a natural eye lift, honey. A natural eye lift. So I am very, very happy about it. This hair is amazing. Hair is beautiful. It is holding this unit down with no problem. I can feel it. I can feel like it's not going nowhere. So anyway, you guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to thumbs up, rate, subscribe, and comment all that good jazz that you do. And I will see you in my next video. Love you guys.